here in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this current AI SMR video without using VEO3. Because I know that a lot of persons are getting stuck with using this VEO3. Some of them does not even have MasterCard, and some of them are even scared of putting in their card, and at the end of the day they get debited. And how you can actually change an object like this, and also the right prompt you can also use to create a good realistic ASMR video like this. Because without using the right prompt, you could not actually come up with something that looks more real, fantastic and realistic like this. So for you to get the prompt, you're actually going to get the link in my description box for you to actually get the prompt. Then let's just get diving into the video. Over 200,000 views. You can see the second one has 27.5 million views. The third one has 4 million views. So just come here to your Chrome browser. So what you just need to type is just to type canva.com. So when you type that, just give it a little time for it to load up, because in this video we are going to use Canva to create a video like using VEO3 website. So you need, first of all, you need to be using a Canva Pro in order for you to achieve this. So you are now going to click on create a video clip. So you're now going to paste your idea. We've already copied our prompt from ChatGPT. I'm just going to leave the prompt in the video description or in the comment section below, so you do well to check it out. I'll just click on generate. Video has been downloaded. Let's play it and see based on the prompt we gave to ChatGPT. Okay, I don't know why my network is bad. Okay, let's play it and see. Wow, guys, this is just so loving. Wow, like, wow. So I'll just go ahead and download this. So what you just need to do, just to come here, ask me anything, and we just go. Boom, this is our second video. So let's click to play and see how it is. Okay, wow. So I'll just go ahead, click to download the rest. So you can go ahead, and so you can just continue doing this for all the prompts. Like, just go to ChatGPT, copy the prompt and paste. So I just want to generate one more video. Okay, let's do this. Let's paste this once again and generate our video. So ask me anything, you paste it here, then you come over here and click here to download it. God, this is so lovely. Like, this is the third video we actually generated. Can you guys see how clean, lovely and nice these videos are? This video is. Can you guys see how clean and nice this video? So this is how you can actually create. Make sure you use the exact prompt as you see in the description box below to create your own good looking professional video like this. There you have it, guys, how you can actually create a good professional looking ASMR video like this. Check the link in the description box to get the exact prompt. Just copy it, change the name of the fruit you want to use, and use it to generate your own video. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye, and I'm going to see my next video.